Clippers or scissors? What's the right call? Let's dive into this. Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the Scott Barnes Show. And in this video, we're gonna be covering what the best practice is when it comes to clippers and scissors. Now, before we get this video started, make sure to like and subscribe. Now, let's jump ship and dive right into this. Now, depending on your beard or your hair, clippers or scissors are gonna play a key role in the best look and the best outcome when you're trimming or clipping up your hair. So through the longevity of my career in the video realm, I've come to notice that there is a difference when it comes to the clippers and scissors, and I actually have a certain preference when it comes to the mustache, the beard, and the hair. And there's really no right or wrong answer. It just comes to preference and comfortability. Now let's start talking about the hairstyle clippers. Now with these styles, and this is a Lemural that I got, and you can find these on Amazon. I'll put down the link below, but they're a different style than your traditional beard trimming clippers. The hairstyle clippers, you're actually gonna get a different style and a different level of clippers and your guard, which actually you'll be able to adjust. And I don't really recommend using these on your mustache, your beard. Just let this strictly stay for your hair. And as you guys notice, with the guard being off, you have this adjustable a lever right here, but on your beard clippers, your teeth are gonna be closer together and you're gonna get a better and minute type trim. Now we're gonna do a demo between the clippers and the scissors and on the mustache here, and this is a great example of where to start. But with the scissors, this is gonna be a more minute trim when it comes to clipping and trimming things up. And this is why I like the scissors a little bit more, because you get a more finer cut. Not only that, one little oops, or one little motion of the clippers, you're all gone. Now we're gonna take the edge of our scissors, we're gonna write it on the top of our lip, we're gonna find it, and we're gonna go ahead and cut. And remember too, the angle, you don't wanna go too far up, you wanna keep it right there on that mustache, find that bottom, and then we're gonna go ahead and cut. There we go, perfect. Now using the clippers, if you're comfortable with it, it is an advanced way for you to trim up some things, but you gotta be careful not to go too fast. And also you'll find out where you need to lay the clippers as well. So a good example, I'll go ahead and rest my clipper on my lip. Go ahead and turn it on, we'll do a good test clip right here. I'll put it right on my lip. And that's pretty much it. I call it riding the wave. And you're using your lip as a guard or a line that you can go ahead and rest upon and be comfortable with it. I do the same with my ear. I'll go ahead and rest it right on my ear and I'll come down. Same thing on my other side, and I'll come down, I'll just rest it on my ear. And these are good practices for you guys to learn. And once again, it's your style, your look, what you guys want to go for. So there it is. It's not too big of a deal, but it is important to remember your tools and how big of an asset they could be to your game when it comes to your facial hair and your hair as well. And they're not too expensive. Now for me, I'm lucky enough to get some sponsors out there. They'll hook me up with some clippers, some trimmers. I actually did a review on a razor the other day. It just depends on what you're looking for. Sally's Beauty Supplies are great. Amazon's a great place. But to pick up a good pair of scissors, 15, 20 bucks, clippers, you can go about $20, $30. It all depends on where you're looking at. But yeah, it's all up to you guys. But at the end of the day, when you are coming into growing out, clipping and trimming, you wanna be a master of your craft. And by doing so, practice makes perfect. So don't hesitate to go out on YouTube and figure out what the best practice is for you. And for me, it's consistency, it's practice makes perfect. And if you have any questions or comments, go down below, type them in there, and I will respond back to you. I'm gonna be making this a thing where I'm just responding to everyone. I need to kind of outreach to you guys a little bit more. So with that being said, let me know what you guys think, how you guys like, and yeah, where to go from there. With that, love you guys like always. Like, subscribe, check me out on all that social media. Love you like always, and I will see you on the flip side. See